most probably, you are one of the most beautiful lady ever. Natasha, even in this transient world, there are things that last. Much is the only thing that is constant is change. There are ideals to uphold, dreams to fulfill, values to be treasured, and memories cherished. So Tash, keep this evening forever close to your heart as you begin to fly to high heavens. And when you reach the stars, never fail to bring to your heart the love of a mother, of a sister, of a brother, and of a father. And remember all these beautiful faces who has loved you and will love you all the more. And lift to God the glory that is His. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha J. Leo Villaruan, legitimately at 18. In behalf of course, the Clea de Villaruan family, maraming salamat po. Mabuhay si Natasha, mabuhay si Gov. J. De Cleo sa kanyang mga proyekto at ideas. At sana nga po ay tuluyang maging bahagi tayo sa pagsulong ng ating bansa at sa pagsulong ng magandang kinabukasan. Muli po, Margot Esplana, lubos na nagpapasalamat. Isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Let's party the night away. Thank you very much.